GPS or location not working on your Android device? Here are 4 ways you can fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Diagnose GPS sensors using GPS status and toolbox. Before moving on to software fixes, ensure that your Android device has functioning hardware to enable GPS settings. GPS status and toolbox makes it easier to check if your phone's GPS-related sensors are well functioning. Download GPS status and toolbox from Google Play Store. The link is in the description. Open the app and grant all necessary permissions. Tap the menu button on the top left corner. Select Diagnose Sensors. It will list all available sensors, showing a green mark on properly functioning sensors. Method 2. Clearing the cache and data of the GPS app. Google Maps is your device's key to accurate GPS locations. Sometimes the cache files and data files that build up on your device for maps may have been corrupted. This can cause a problem with GPS on your phone. Go to Settings on your phone, then Apps or Applications and click on Maps. Once you have found the app, tap on it and you will see options like Storage or App Info. Select that, then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Once you have cleared all the data and cache files, restart your phone and use GPS once again. Check if the problem you're facing has been resolved. Method 3. Enable the location permission for the app. If you're facing the GPS error on a specific app, you might need to provide location access to the app. To do this, go to Settings, then Apps or Applications. Find the app you're experiencing GPS issues with and tap on it. Once you are in the app settings, look for Permissions or App Permissions. Make sure that the location permission is enabled for the app. If it's disabled, toggle it on and that should grant the app access to your device's location services. Method 4. Turn off power saving mode. In power saving mode on your Android device, most background services including GPS are disabled to save battery life. If you're trying to use your GPS and it continuously displays the error message, you must disable power saving mode. You should find the toggle for turning power saving mode in the notification shade. If you can't find it there, go to the Settings app and navigate to the battery settings. Disable power saving mode and check if the errors are resolved. And there you have it, 4 different solutions to help you fix the GPS location not working error on Android. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Join our Facebook group to get direct help on everything tech. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.